How to hide apps in calculator on any Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on a device and download this application called Hide Your Calculator Lock. So as you can see, I've already installed it. So I'm going to tap on open and it will take me to the main page of the application on our device. So let's tap on agree and continue over here. And as we tap on agree and continue, tap on grant for necessary permissions. And make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device over here. Now allow access to manage all files, and you can now simply go back and then now you can tap on agree and continue to process further over here. Now what you need to do is simply create a pin over here. So I'm going to create a simple pin, then tap on equals to for enter, then enter the passcode again and tap on equals to. Now here what you can simply do is tap on create a similar gesture, so you can add any other pattern as well. So I'm going to add a pattern and we have set up the success. So let's wait and skip the ads over here that pops up. So let's wait, and now this will tap and we can now select app to hide over here. So you can select any of the app to hide. So let me just select any sort of apps over here. So let's select on any of the other apps. So let's tap on app, and here what you simply need to do is tap on hide apps, and here you just have to select on what app you would want to hide. So let's say we want to hide the app of Twitter. I'm going to select on X and then tap on next. Now tap on enter. So let's tap on enter over here. Now all we have to do is select calculator as the home screen. So let's do that. Tap on calculator, go back, and now let's see if we have Twitter application on our home screen or on our app list as well. So let's wait and let's check if we have the application or if it's hidden. So and scroll down, and there you go, we can see no Twitter application. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.